Everyone wishes VGA died already, but still that's not the case, as it's often used on servers as well as conference projectors and whatnot. Therefore, with the ever increasing amount of HDMI outputting devices such as laptops and PCs, HDMI female to VGA male adapters do come handy. And today we're unboxing a budget option from Ugreen. Given its price, we can't expect anything much, but still, upon opening the box, inside we get the converter itself, as well as an additional micro USB cable that powers the active adapter that is needed when converting from digital to analog. It supports a resolution of up to 1080p, so 1920 by 1080, with a frequency of 60 Hz. An important thing to note that the adapter has included is a 3.5mm jack slot, so if you have a male-to-male audio jack, you can output the HDMI from your laptop to a sound system that's separate from the VGA projector, for example. Anyways, it's a quite simple product that we've already screwed the micro USB cable to, as we're sure that it would get lost otherwise. It looks cool, it's flimsy, it has gold plating, although that doesn't matter, and it works when we plug it in, and that's the most important thing. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Ugreen HDMI female to VGA male 1080p HDMI to VGA audio converter, and stick around for the next one on Discharge Networks.